All right, well, meteorologist Kate Bilo joins us now as what's left of Irma. It's not really even called Irma anymore, really, is it? The storm is on its way kind of our direction.
Yes, it's heading our way. Yeah, not Irma any longer, but it's an easy way to refer to what's happening across the eastern half of the country. The remnants of Irma, which are impacting areas from northern Texas all the way up through portions of Maryland and Virginia this evening, and going to head into our region over the next few days. But this system is not any longer an organized system, and it's not really going to bring us much beyond showers and an increase in humidity and cloud cover. Also, that rough surf we were talking about. Let's take a look at what's going on outside. I want to take you out to Ocean City, where you can see the clouds are in, and that surf looking very rough. The tide is high, and it is going to continue to be a problem through the next several days. High rip current risk warnings are in effect up and down the New Jersey coastline, throughout the Delaware beaches as well, and this could impact you right through the rest of the week and into the upcoming weekend perhaps. So keep in mind, if you're heading down the shore, it is going to be warm, possibly not the best beach days over the next few days, but we do have that dangerous swimming in the ocean. Only swim on guarded beaches. Storm Scan 3 showing those cloud bands starting to drift in. A couple of sprinkles, mainly off to the south. Most of these not really making their way into our region right now. You can see showers right here over portions of northeastern Maryland, into portions of Delaware as well this evening. But most of us looking a-okay. As we head down to the south, though, you can see the circulation around what was once Hurricane Irma. Again, it's no longer a tropical system, but it does have showers associated with it, and again, really impacting the entire eastern half of the country. Now, with prevailing westerly winds over the U.S., eventually this has got to get out of here somehow, and it's got to exit the east coast. It's going to really die before it does so, but we're going to be talking about clouds, showers, and an increase in heat and humidity over the next few days as that tropical moisture moves through. It's near 80 right now. Humidity is low, but it's going to ramp up tomorrow with dew points in the upper 60s. 10 a.m. we've got that first batch of showers moving through. Scattered showers all day. Looks like Thursday may be the most active day with scattered showers and perhaps a thunderstorm at any time. Friday will start to dry out a bit as those showers move to the north and east, but still cannot rule one out. Now, as far as rain amounts are concerned, it's not much. Again, these are light, but we're looking at about less than half an inch in Philadelphia, possibly as much as an inch just off to our west, where some heavier downpours may occur. Hurricane Jose is still a Category 1 hurricane. The good news is today's models are more in agreement that this is going to head back out to sea. At one point, it looked like it was going to head almost due east and impact the east coast. Now it looks unlikely that it will make a U.S. landfall. Sunday at 2 p.m. it's curving north of Bermuda, but with that system sitting out in the Atlantic, we can expect those larger swells and strong rip currents to continue through the end of the week and right through the weekend. That means beach erosion will be a threat as well, as Cleve was talking about earlier in the broadcast. Overnight tonight, it's mainly cloudy. It is warm. 63 degrees is going to be your overnight low. Tomorrow, warm, steamy, but more clouds than sunshine with scattered showers around. You'll be dodging drops if you're out and about. Thursday, Friday, same story. Friday starts to dry out, and the weekend is trending brighter and it's trending warmer. Now that Jose is getting out of here, it's going to be a warm final weekend of summer. Highs in the 80s. Good weekend to have kind of a last hurrah barbecue, pool party type of thing going on.
Over your place, you haven't?
If you want the inflatable baby pool, come on over.
Thank you, Kate.